The office culture here is just friendly and family, like we all live in the community here, so we're all passionate about making a difference. My name's Fred Shilton, I'm the business manager here in Rotorua at the WSP.
My name's Corinne McLaren and I'm a senior project manager, project director.
I've got lots of favourite projects. Probably one of my most favourites would be the Hemo Gorge Roundabout. Just an iconic intersection improvements that is going to save a lot of lives. My
main project is behind us, Te Whare Taonga o Te Arawa Rotorua Museum. After the Kaikoura earthquakes, there's a series of local earthquakes here. There's been some significant seismic movement in the building and it's been closed ever since. I feel very privileged to be working on this project. I get asked when I grocery shop every week what's happening on the project. So it has huge local interest and oversight.
My favourite part's living in Rotorua is the Whakarewarewa Forest that I live just down the road from and I get to use all the time. My family gets to use it. I see loads of people using the facilities that we've created there.
I love getting out into nature. We've got so many lakes, we've got the forest and there's always something that you can do.
It's one of the things that I love the most about working here and working in the community is creating things that matter for us.